Snowflake, come. Contact front.
No one else has a shotgun.
Hey.
Can you just open the door and shoot them? No, they're locked in.
What the hell?
That's your UN buddy. Pop it. Pop it. Push. Bring out! Back up, back up, back up. More.
Oh, come on, man. I just want to play.
You win! You win! Coming through! Sorry, Nathan. All right.
Disabled.
We're going to take you to our embassy and hold you there until we know further information.
We have lots of things.
We're not going to kill you. This is your last resort.
You guys have it locked from the inside?
Yeah.
Why?
Mike, you got bolt cutters.
CJ won't like that.
Yo, Beans, ASAP. Beans on me. Beans on me.
What? Throw it back in. Throw it back in.
Mike, come here! Mike, come here! One more, dude.
We will take it.
Get it open, I can see his hand.
Alright, you guys want to be done? Good? Anybody else?
Clear.
Drag his ass out.
Alright, heal them, then they're our prisoners.
Hey, medic.
Yeah,
hey,
they're
hey,
ours. They're
come here,
ours,
Ford.
please.
Get on base.
Oh, you're dead here. Sorry.
We're good.
Left arm's busted. Left leg's pretty much busted. So.
Alright.
Take him to our UN. We'll detain him.
Hey, we're taking them to our UN.
Stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by, stand by.
Actually, hold on.
Stand by, everybody stand by. Hey, UN take point. UN take point.
We got him out. I feel like we're getting backstabbed here.
You down, Dave.
You had to take point.
You're all hit. You guys are all hit.
Does everyone have a dead rag on?
Yeah. Oh, he didn't. Take him back.
Stand by right here, stand by right here. Wait, very good.
Oh, hey, you do.
Good job, everyone.
Get that man, fuck him!
What's up, America?
Watch your right, Jake, watch your right.
I know, right?
Such nice people in this kind town. They have revived me. They'll probably just shoot me again anyways.
Feels I'm a dead pilot now.
You're dead?
Yeah, they shot me again.
Well, he's got no gun. Bang, bang. He might though.
And you just shot your own guy. Fuck!
He's already dead. So
Where is our team?
Watch my stick. Stay down. There's a lot of ricochets coming in underneath here. Bring the vehicle.
Oh, I know that was
me,
fucking
bro.
hurt.
sorry. I tried to eat the weekend.
No hard spectator.
Aim small, miss small.
Thank you, Bill.
Sorry.
1 minute.
I mean, I got a dead one.
Didn't have.
I got shot in my butt cheeks.